Create your own long-lasting fragrance. Boil 1 liter of water. Place a tub of Vaseline in the boiling water until it melts. Remove the melted Vaseline and let it cool slightly. Add your favorite fragrance to the liquid Vaseline. Let it solidify. Apply to your pulse points, neck, wrists, jawline for a scent that lasts all day. This simple trick will have you smelling great all day long. Use Vaseline slugging for hydrated skin. Press a paper towel on your face for 30 seconds to identify dry areas. Apply Vaseline to these dry spots. This keeps your skin hydrated and even-toned. Get bigger and softer lips. Brush your lips with a coconut oil-coated toothbrush to remove dead skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with Vaseline for a hydrating lip balm. Apply this mixture to keep your lips hydrated and fuller looking. Reduce salt intake to prevent water retention. Your lips will look and feel amazing. Thicken your eyebrows. Take a small amount of Vaseline and rub it between your fingers. Apply to your eyebrows, brushing upwards and outwards. Instantly, your eyebrows look fuller and more defined, simple, yet effective. Eliminate dark eye circles. Dab a bit of Vaseline under your eyes before sleep. Spread from the inner to the outer corners. Wake up with refreshed, hydrated eyes. Exfoliate your face. Melt 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. Mix with 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Let the mixture harden, then use as an exfoliant. This homemade exfoliant will leave your skin butter soft. Whiten your teeth. After brushing, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your teeth. This creates a barrier that prevents stains, keeping your teeth whiter. And there you have it, 7 Vaseline tricks to transform your appearance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time.